Hello there. Today I'll be showing you how to make an image capture program in Python in under 10 lines. Let's begin. So first we're going to be importing the random module. Next we're going to be importing the captcha module. There we go, and now we're just going to be making an image. Just call it like that. Just set the width and height to whichever width and height you want the image to be. There we go. And now just make a list which we can put all the numbers in, and now make a for loop. And now we're just going to make a random number, so call the randint function from 0 to 9, and now we're just going to append this to the list, so cap.append. There we go. And now we're just going to make the image.generate, and this is from the cap. And now we're just going to image.write, just image.write. And then if we just need to make this one like that, make sure you do that. There we go. And that is how you make a image capture in Python. If you liked it, please press the like button and press subscribe if you want more content like this.